Hi everybody, my name is Russ and this is going to be the last of our videos where we are assembling the candy chute mounts. If you've got to here, hopefully you are just about ready for the trick-or-treaters to come. I'm going to show you today how to assemble the candy chute itself. It's a pretty easy process, shouldn't take more than a minute or so of your time. But I just want to make this video to kind of indicate how everything worked. So just so you know, the big hole at the top is for the candy chute. The little holes at the bottom are for the 3/4 inch pipe. And the real trick to it is that you're going to slide it in at an angle. So you'll put it in around the pipe and then you'll straighten it out to make it perpendicular with the ground. I'll show you how it all works in just a second here. So what you're going to want to do is, again, slide this on at an angle. You'll leave about 6 to 8 inches here at the bottom, and then you'll put the 3/4 inch pipe into the holes at the bottom. Should be snug, but they should fit. You'll do the same thing over here. On this side, you put the candy chute pipe at the same angle. You put it about the same distance away from the top, and you slide these 3/4 inch pipes right in, and then grab hold of both of them, and you just set it up right like that. From here, like I said, is where you kind of straighten it out to make the legs perpendicular with the ground. Might take it a little bit of finagling, but that ought to do it. And that will provide you to be able to be 6 feet apart from the trick-or-treaters while still giving them the candy and making everybody happy. Thank you so much for ordering our product. Thank you for staying safe this Halloween. And again, happy Halloween.